Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to just do an unboxing of this world tag and show you how to set it up. I received a message asking if I'd like to test this or these and basically to say what I thought of them. So they sent me 2 packs. I've been using 1 pack. Here we go. That's on that key there, on my key ring, and that's on my garage keys. So you can attach them with this little loop as well. So that's on my garage keys. But I'll just show you, because I never read instructions, so I'll just show you how easy it is to set up. So, open it up. These are the white ones. They've sent me black and white ones. So we'll pop one out like so. Those are the 2 tags. Those are the instructions. We don't use instructions. Things should be simple enough just to do. So it's packed, or it's wrapped in plastic. Let me just find it. Pull. Mars bar fingers, sorry. When we take it all off, you'll see that there's plastic in there. You see that? Plastic. So if I pull that out, that stops the battery going flat. You hear it beep there. Then we go to, oh gosh, where have I put it? It should be on the there we go, Find My. So we'll click Find My. We'll turn that up. Turn that up that way. Items, you'll see there, those are my Citroen Ami keys and those are my garage keys. So it shows you where they are. All I have to do is plus, share my location, add MagSafe accessory, add AirTag, add other item, add other item. So it's searching, world tag, connect, enter name. Now I'm going to put this on the Volkswagen. So Volkswagen, T-Rock, continue. Choose an emoji. Select an emoji to represent this item. Oh dear me. Well, I'll use that one. Continue. Agree. I don't know what it says, but I agree anyway. Finish. That's it. That's it done. Volkswagen T-Rock. Play sound. Directions to it. Shows me. It's not there. Just zooming in. There you go. Shows me exactly where it is. And I can even click go. That's walking. Just needs to go on. There we go. It's really nice and neat, and they're under £10 to buy. So there you go. That's it. Knock it off. Go back to Find My. Play sound. There you go. We'll go onto my Citroen Ami. Play sound. Garage keys. There you go. I found them all. That's it. Honestly, absolutely brilliant. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.